Felix, I see colleagues offshore, I see a boat, I see a map. Are you taking us for a trip at sea?
Yeah, let's go for an adventure, don't we?
But what is Grid Navigator all about?
It's about the sea, and we believe that the sea is the future of the European energy transition because we have high ambitions to build new wind farms, right? And they need to be connected. And the Grid Navigator is really meant to be a mapping tool that allows us to create new ideas how to connect the future wind farms and the next wave of offshore hubs to the coastlines, right? And on this map you see the North Sea, really simplified, some wind farms in yellow, some substations. And what the tool is doing in the computer is really identifying some lines, as you can see on those rubber bands, as candidate links, for instance, between Belgium and Norway. And it acknowledges some obstacles, right? So the straight line would look like this, but this is infeasible. And then we let the GIS decide to go around some military areas, acknowledge some natural protection, and of course, the Belgium energy island. And voila, your first idea for the next offshore interconnector is born. What you see here is really just the prototype that we use developing a prototype and some basic functionalities. But the beauty, of course, happens in the laptop and in the machine.
A prototype that you developed in the nest?
Yep. It's a software tool. So now you really see the inside view of our tool. And again, you have the North Sea here with the countries and the spatial planning. And what the tool is really doing, it first of all allocates the points, which used to be the pins on the map, right? And then identifying possible links that go all across the sea, right? So you really have this metro network of possible links that can interconnect the countries.
Impressive.
This is of course not the future offshore grid, it's just the solution space, right? The options that we have. And like in Google Maps, you say, I want to go from A to B, today really fast, really windy, up to you.
Really nice.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Of course, you're welcome.